Lençóis Maranhenses, Brazil's most stunning secret you need to see. Hey, explorers! Imagine a place where endless white sand dunes stretch to the horizon, and nestled between them are shimmering blue and green lagoons that look like they've been painted by nature itself. Sounds unreal, right? Well, it's very real, and it's called Lençóis Maranhenses National Park in Brazil. Let me take you on a journey to this breathtaking destination. What makes Lençóis Maranhenses so special? This isn't your typical desert. Here's why this place stands out. 1. The Dune Lagoon Wonderland. Lençóis Maranhenses is a vast expanse of white sand dunes spread across 1,550 square kilometers. What makes it truly unique are the rainwater lagoons that form between the dunes during the rainy season. These lagoons, like Lagoa Azul and Lagoa Bonita, are filled with crystal clear water, perfect for swimming and snapping those Insta-worthy shots. 2. A playground for adventurers. If you're into outdoor fun, this park is your dream come true. Here's what you can do. Swim in the lagoons, cool off in the freshwater pools surrounded by pure white sand. 4x4 dune tours, explore the vast dunes in style with guided off-road adventures. Sandboarding, glide down the sandy slopes for an adrenaline rush. Trekking, for the more adventurous, guided hikes take you deep into the heart of this stunning landscape. 3. Connect with local culture. The charm doesn't stop at the park. Nearby fishing villages like Athens and Barreirinhas offer a glimpse into the local way of life. Feast on fresh seafood, explore quiet streets, and soak up the warm hospitality of the people. Don't miss a boat ride along the Rio Preguias, where you'll pass through lush mangroves and scenic riverside communities. 4. A photographer's paradise. Whether you're a pro with a camera or just love snapping pics for your social media, Lençóis Maranhenses delivers. The stark contrast of the white dunes, vibrant lagoons, and brilliant blue skies creates scenes that look straight out of a fantasy. When's the best time to go? Rainy season, May-September. This is when the lagoons are full and at their most stunning. The weather is warm, and it's the perfect time to swim and explore. Dry season, October-April. While the lagoons may dry up, the dunes remain mesmerizing. It's also a quieter time to visit, so you'll have more of the park to yourself. How to get there? Start in São Luís, fly into São Luís, the capital of Maranhão, which is about 260 km, 160 miles, from the park. Head to Barreirinhas. From São Luís, take a 4-5 hour drive or bus ride to Barreirinhas, the main gateway town to the park. Enter the park. Once in Barreirinhas, join a guided tour or rent a 4x4 to start your Lençóis Maranhenses adventure. Pro tips for your trip. Wear comfortable clothing and bring sunscreen. The sun can be intense on the dunes. If you visit during the dry season, consider exploring nearby areas like Athens or the Rio Preguias for a well-rounded experience. Always go with a guide. They know the best spots and ensure you travel safely. Let's explore the world together. If this sounds like the kind of adventure you'd love, you're in the right place. At Knowledge Trend, I bring you the most incredible travel destinations and tips to help you plan your next journey. Hit that subscribe button and join me as we explore the wonders of the world, one stunning place at a time. Don't miss out. Lençóis Maranhenses is just the beginning.